can always call too. Yeah, it's got our phone number and hours and everything on it. So if you want to kind of call and check up on the shoes, and then I'll let you know as soon as I kind of get my wish list thing going, so that we can put you down on there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for coming in.
You're right.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know though, it's just like the weirder you act when it seems like we're doing something wrong, even when we're not, you know?